Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I am taking the class of Shastri second. Today we know about paragraph writing. We have discussed many paragraphs earlier also. Today I have taken the most valuable paragraph, important paragraph for the coming examination, that is time and tide wait for no man. The literal meaning of the proverb is quite obvious. We all know the importance of time. We all are heard or saying time is money. We do not waste our time. The flow of time is ceaseless. Time does not stop. Work may stop, man may stop, but time is everlasting going. The past is gone forever, but the past is not dead and static. It is alive and dynamic and is involved in determining the quality of our present and the prospects of our future. The process of its constant renewal is indeed the process of growth of national culture and national character. Likewise, tide are at nobody's command. They come and go, and no one has the power to stop them. The proverb makes us aware of the importance of time. Opportunities missed may never come again. Even human life is very short. Once time has gone over beyond reach, we cannot follow the time. Therefore, we should never defer till tomorrow. What can be said today? We are saying that man is not strong, time is strong, time is valuable, time once lost is lost forever. Any slacking of effort or a postponement of work will cause irreparable harm. Every moment is precious and we must put it to its maximum use. It is like a wise investment of one's limited capital in order to derive the maximum profit. If we misuse time, we will be put to a great loss. Therefore, we must be careful in the use of time. Time should not be wasted. This is the key to a successful and happy life. It is time which determine our ambition. If we are on a particular stage, we can mold our life. Aim is determined according to time. A man without an aim is like a ship without a rudder. We should formulate our aim in right span of time. Aimless walking does not take anyone anywhere. Ambition is a two is short. Ambition for power bring tragic doom. We have seen many examples in the history. Such example in Shakespeare drama Macbeth ruined his life because of his high ambition without any determination of time. Milton calls ambition the last infirmity of noble minds. However, one cannot succeed in life if one has no definite aim or ambition in a particular span of time. That is why time is very valuable. We should follow the time. Time does not follow anyone else. Time comes and go, but we may go forever.